What is going on, everybody? This is Ryan, and yes, I am quite warm right now because I'm wearing a furry LED, I'm gonna call it a scarf, LED scarf. This thing is pretty cool. Now, you can wear this skiing, you can wear this out in the town, you can wear it to the club, you can wear it wherever makes you happy and you want to be the light of the room, let's just put it that way. So, first and foremost, this company that goes by the name of Esbucciano. Some fine folks over there reached out to me and said, Ryan, can you do any of your detailed reviews? I don't think people have a full appreciation for this here LED scarf. Who am I to say no? So absolutely no way whatsoever will this be provided to me, looking as stylish as I am right now, affect my review any way whatsoever, because I'm just here to keep it real. So let me highlight exactly what you're looking at here that I have wrapped around my neck. So this is a scarf. It is very, very furry. I've actually turned down the lights here just so you can see how bright it is. It's about 5.5 feet long. It comes with a battery pack. Now this pack fits inside here because inside here is the light, and then this tucks in here. There's a little pouch, and then it zips up with the zipper that you can see right here. Right there, you can see right there. So this all goes inside, but just from a demonstration standpoint, I'm leaving it out for now. 4 AA batteries that do not come with it. There is a on-off switch right here, and then it's connected via a USB plug, and then you have a couple different options here as far as how you want to get this thing working. You can just turn it on and use the control. So if by chance you lose the remote that I'm gonna highlight here in a sec that comes with it, or you don't download the app that this thing can hook up to, there's a whole bunch of different settings that you have. As you can see here, I'm cycling through a whole variety of different settings. It's pretty cool. It is pretty cool. I could definitely see in the rave days this getting represented in the nightclub. But so you have some options there as far as cycling through all the different options. Now it does come with, like I mentioned, it does come with a remote. I believe it's infrared, and here you can adjust the brightness up or down, so it's kind of getting that as bright, and then bright this way, very, very, very bright. You have an on and off, so if I just wanted to cut it off and just be representing the white, I can do that. Then I can cut it back on. Then you can just go to the fixed colors. So if you're just like, you know, I'm feeling kind of blue today, I'm kind of feeling blue, boom, there you go. You have all the different, you know, color options that you might want as far as standard colors. If you're not trying to get all crazy and have this thing, you know, flash and do a whole bunch of other stuff. You do have some automatic settings where you can kind of select this and it will kind of automatically, as you probably saw, cycle through everything. And everything I'm showing you here is also on the app. You also can sync this to music or voice. So if you were somewhere where, let's just say you wanted to have it linked to going the music or something in the room, you could definitely have that. So you can see the faster I'm talking, the faster it's reacting to it. And there's a whole bunch of custom settings. You can do that, which, so if you were wearing this, let's just say in a nightclub or somewhere where there's a lot of music, or you just want to be doing something pretty cool, you can definitely do that. And you can see how it's reacting to my voice. Just, there's too many settings to show in this video, but they're all right here. Very, very cool. Let me also highlight, I actually kind of like how it reacts to, but let me highlight the app. The instructions have it, it's very simple to use. The LED app looks like, and so here you can adjust your colors. As you can see here, I can pretty much choose any one of the gazillion colors that I want to choose. There's also some customizations here, and if you just want to do like white or gray, you have that option as well. Then you have all the same solid colors that you would have on the actual remote. Then you have some additional settings here where you just have, I mean, just tons and tons of settings. So this is like, you can see here it's going one way or it's going to go the other way. So you have forward, you have backward, you have speed, you have brightness. There's literally an unlimited amount of preset settings. So if you just want to get this thing and go in and have some fun stuff, you have that in there. There are some custom settings that you can go in here and literally create your own flow, color, whatever it is. You have all that in there. This is the custom screen, very cool stuff. This is where it can react to the music, and then you can come in here and say, oh, okay, well, I want to play music. If you have music on your phone, I can't play any music for copyright reasons, but you would have music here and you just hit play, and then it would react to the music playing on your phone that you might also have synced up in your house, your car, whatever it is that's important to you. I personally like the voice option because it's just listening to what's going on and it's reacting to that. So in summary, if you're looking for it actually is pretty warm. It is washable because you can unzip this and then take the LED light out. 5.5 foot long, unlimited settings. You can either do it via the handheld remote, the provided remote, or on your app. This just might be the LED scarf for you. Hope that helps. We'll talk to you soon.